National. The Color Guard. The Graduates. Dr. Mutiakismet Tirol Macuno, our beloved Medical Center Chief, who regrets not being here today due to a conflicting schedule with Gulyas College of Medicine. She is the commencement speaker at the Gulyas College of Medicine commencement exercises today. Our distinguished commencement speaker, Dr. John Rodel Arteta Acosta, Chief of Medical Professional Staff, Dr. Jing Valeria Sulatra, members of the EXICOM, distinguished chair of the different departments, and training officers with their chief residents, parents, and beloved partners and companions of our dear graduates this morning, friends of our graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It will not take long to say hello and welcome to our commencement exercises. So I will not bore you with the litany of words to say welcome, and I will break protocol this morning by requesting our graduates to go to their parents and loved ones or significant others to say thank you for giving them, come on, go ahead, you can stand up now, giving them for all the years of sacrifices, prayers, and being there for them, to support them in their journey to become physicians and surgeons that will serve our country in the future. Please hug them and say thank you for being there to support them in their journey towards becoming a doctor someday. our dearly beloved parents and their significant others for this very momentous occasion. Indeed, times fly so fast when you're having fun. It just seemed like yesterday when all of you were huddled together at the auditorium on your first day of training, where I was given orientation and promised you that the year will just pass by fast if you're learning with so much fun and interest. See, learning in an environment of fun is well remembered, so that by the time you take your board exams this coming September, we'll all pass. I expect all of you to make 100% passing in your exams this year, so that hopefully by next year we will welcome you to our residency training program at Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Medical Center. There are 8 training programs. We have internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics, gynecology, pathology, anesthesiology, family and community medicine, radiology, and I think that's it. And hopefully we will have ophthalmology and orthopedics by next year. So remember that. After you pass your board exams, please come back and join us here at the hospital. Your journey to become where you are right now as postgraduate interns was indeed fascinating. You have seen the best and worst of all worlds. Imagine, you started your medical education when everything was normal. Along the way, when you became third-year medical students, pandemic hit the world. Can you imagine that? And there was a threat of stopping your education because we didn't know how to proceed with your education in the midst of a pandemic. There were, lockdowns, and we were not allowed to go outside, no schools. Economic and commerce stopped. Until such time that the Commission on Higher Education was able to give us some form of guidance as to how to proceed with your education. Then, during your clerkship, you had to wear PPE and all the other requirements to get yourself protected from COVID-19. Then we swayed through COVID, and then now we had Presidential Decree 297, proclamation, which lifted the health pandemic in the country. Isn't that wonderful? That you're now coming out from this education fully aware of what a pandemic looks like and how to deal with it, and now being out into the field to do what it is that we need to do for our patients. And so, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming here today to participate in this very momentous occasion of our postgraduate interns graduating from this year of training, acquiring new knowledge and skills so that they will become the best physicians and surgeons in the country henceforth. And so with that, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sarah Bosing. And to deliver the inspirational message from our Medical Center Chief, Dr. Mutyak Ismeterol Makono, let's welcome once again Dr. Luciano J. Sarabosing Jr.
As I've said earlier, the Medical Center Chief regrets not being here today, and so she would like to express her extreme apologies, profound apologies for not being here with us to give her personal message. She did say that you guys are very important to her. In fact, some of the last-minute awards have not been signed personally by her. And so we suggested that we'll use her e-signature. And they said, no, I want to sign it personally myself because you guys are very important to her. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to know that she expresses her extreme gratitude and profound gratitude for your hard work during the past year. You have certainly helped us at the hospital lighten the weight of our residents and our consultants, and especially liven the atmosphere that we have, because our mantra is, let's all say it, so Gallares, so kind. Thank you for manifesting all of that.
Thank you so much once again, Dr. Sarabosing. At this moment, to introduce our commencement speaker from Batch Excelsior, Dr. Jordan Luke Sarabosing.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Our commencement speaker today is no stranger to most of us who are from Bohol, and especially to those of who are part of the Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Medical Center family. Our speaker hails from Cotabato City, province of Maguindanao, in the year of our Lord. Oops, I cannot say that. That info is protected personal information covered by the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Plus, for those of you who are mathematically inclined, you could probably calculate how old he is today. But I assure you, he is one of the youngest practicing neurosurgeons in the country. For his academic background, our commencement speaker today graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Biology from the University of the Philippines in Visayas, which was his preparatory course to medicine. He then completed his Doctor of Medicine degree from the West Visayas State University, where he bestowed the Best Intern in General Surgery and Obstetrics and Gynecology. He did this postgraduate internship at the Bacolod Our Lady of Mercy Specialty Hospital, and after passing his physician's licensure exam, underwent 5 years of general surgery residency training at the Mindanao Integrated Surgical Training Program, where he became the chief resident of the Davao Regional Medical Center and the overall chief resident of the Southern Philippines Medical Center Davao Regional Medical Center Consortium. With a burning desire to further his surgical training, he underwent 5 more years of neurological surgery residency training at Southern Philippines Integrated Neurosurgical Training Program, where he became the chief resident and the overall chief resident of the Davao Doctors Hospital, who also awarded him the Most Outstanding Resident Award. His impressive array of professional affiliations include the following: Diplomat of the Philippine Board of Neurologic Surgery, Fellow of the Academy of Filipino Neurosurgeons, Fellow of the Philippine College of Surgeons, and Fellow of the Academy of Medicine of the Philippines. During his first year of general surgery,
and upon the recommendation of the training officers and chairman, I have the honor to present these 66 candidates for graduation from the GCGMMC Postgraduate Internship Training Program for academic year 2022 to 2023, with all the rights, privileges, liabilities thereto pertaining.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Department of Health, Commission on Higher Education, and the Association of Philippine Medical Colleges Foundation Incorporated, I, Dr. Luciano Sarabosing Jr., in behalf of the Medical Center Chief, hereby confirm 66 graduates from the Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Medical Center Postgraduate Internship Training Program for academic year 2022 to 2023, with all the rights, privileges, and liabilities thereunto pertaining.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Let us now call our graduates.
Chief Training Officer on stage.
Dr. Shedwin May L. Escobedo. Dr. Cristel Mary P. Estrada. Dr. Reggie Jean M. Calaura. Dr. Shedwin May L. Escobedo. Dr. Cristel Mary